Okay, let's start. We covered some enterprise level configuration in the last class, and we'll just check what was covered from the HCM perspective, and we'll go to definition, HRM, personal areas. This is a geographical area. Okay, personal areas. And our personal area was just a second. Personal area. Personal area is ad hoc. Okay, we have ad hoc Abu Dhabi. Okay, that is done. Personal sub areas. Now, what are personal sub areas? Now, personal areas geographical. That is your location. It's not necessary, but usually that is the practice. And create personal sub areas. Now, in that very area, we will have offices, we will have a factory, we will have retail shops, showrooms, whatever. Representation of the business will be the corporate head office, ADCO, EDMN, that is factory, manufacturing factory. Okay. Next is okay. That is being said, done. Then we have employee groups. Employee groups are what? Active, retired, early retired. Okay. And we have MNO, early retired, and active, under which the structure will be made. Okay. Okay. That being said, this is also done. Employee subgroup. Now comes the employee subgroup. Employee subgroups. Now, employee groups and subgroups. And group is active. Active employee. Active employee will be either paid hourly or paid as a permanent salaried employee. Okay, that is done. Okay, now let's move ahead. Okay, and that was the definitions part. Let's go to the assignments part. In the assignment, of course, first of all, assign company code is necessary. This is a basic ad hoc. You don't have a company? We don't have a company. Okay, we just actually went for a company code. No, I think we have a company code to company. We need a company and ad hoc. AE Dubai ABC. How come? Ad hoc. Let me just check. Maybe we did not actually create. We created. I didn't actually take note of that. Okay. Um, SC10. H53. Okay, I believe it should be H53. Define company. We have already defined a company. Define company. Okay. H53. Okay, this was our company ad hoc. H53. Price structure. Assignment. Financial accounting. Sign company. Code to company. H53. H53. Okay. Save. Controlling. Okay. Purchase organization. Okay. We don't have controlling area yet. So let's make one. Um, Definition, controlling, maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. This is also a very necessary step, but no, we can't actually make one right now because we need a chart of accounts. First, let's go for the chart of accounts first. Okay, definition, assignment, financial accounting. Actually, skip this step in the last lecture, just because to save some time where it is going to consume our time, I believe. Nonetheless, edit chart of accounts list. Okay, new entries H53, H53 ad hoc COA maintenance language will be English. Length of the GL account number will be 5. Save. Now, what a chart of accounts? Now, chart of accounts are group of GL accounts. We actually categorize them, that we'll see in the next step. And that being said, that being done, assign company code to chart of accounts. This is a quick step basically. We usually want to avoid this because we are into HCM, but nonetheless, we have to actually deal with it anyhow. H53, H53, H53. H53, okay, save. Okay, define account group. Now, this is where you actually define segments for each GL account. What are the segments that we'll just see in a while? AA42 is one of our previous batches chart of account, which is quite mature. So I'll just choose and select all of this just to save a little bit of time. That will save us quite a lot of time basically. AA42 and copy as H53, H53, H53. What I'll do, Control Y, it becomes a plus sign, drag and select, and Control C. I'll keep it here, H53, 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 H53. I'll keep it here, H53. Page down, and H53. Enter. Now, the segments that we have for the GL accounts are like assets, equity, HR accounts. So we will have everything for the payroll, for the taxes, for deductions, for advances, everything will be made and defined over here. That is starting with the series 90100 to 9099. That is 1000, no, 900 accounts. Okay. 199 accounts basically. 901, nearly 1000. Okay. Save. That is done. And the other part is global settings of financial accounting ledgers. Okay, fields. We'll have to just check what are our fiscal year that was assigned to the company code. It should be January to December. H53. It was not given over here. Okay, K4. This is very necessary just to make a controlling area. K4. That is calendar year for special periods. I'll just tell you what this is. I'll explain after I save it. Now, calendar year is January to December. Normal calendar actually runs through January to December. And the four special periods are basically for year-end closing operations. Now, year-end basically closing operations are for adjustments for unposted invoices or material or payroll. We actually keep these special periods. Okay. That being said, we'll go back to enterprise structure. Definition, controlling, maintain controlling area. Maintain controlling area. New entries. Controlling area is equal to company code. Yes, H53, H53C. Okay, H53C and controlling area same as company code. H53 financial statement version is INT, that is international. Controlling area currency will be different. And that will be different because, let me tell you that, because we have company code currency that is in Arab Emirates dirhams. But controlling area is basically for management accounting for the management. So what I'll do, I'll write 30 over here, enter. Mama? Only valid currency types. Must use currency AED. That's the problem because I wanted to actually have USD. Anyways, let's keep it over there. Let's not waste more time. Save. And if you see the contingency, the condition is if I have to assign a company code to a company, to a controlling area, sorry, it should have the same chart of accounts and fiscal year variant. Okay. Now, fiscal year variant is done. The next step is OKKP, new session with /n. Is the same, but it actually entails more details. I'll go for H53, H53C, double click. Over here, we'll add another variant that is of standard hierarchy for the cost centers, very important, H53. And I will go for the next control indicators. It says it is not made. The standard hierarchy is not made. So I say make it new entries 2023 component will be active. Projects in local of subjects is active. All currencies, variances, okay. Company code, new entries, H53C. So companies that are having the same chart of accounts and fiscal year will be actually copied over here, and that will be allowed. So there is no mismatch between company code and the controlling area. That being said, let's move on. The next part is sales org, sales distribution, MMNLE. Okay, that is done. Let's go to the next level. That is SPRO. SPRO and enterprise structure. Assignment. Controlling is done. Logistics and general assigned plant. Did we make a plant? I believe we made a plant. H53. New entries. H53, H53. 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 Does not exist. Does not exist. I skipped this as well last time. We don't have it. H53. Save. AE. Assignment. Assigned plant. H53. H53. Okay, H53C. Save. Okay. Let's jump to human resources. If there is an error, we will see it next time for enterprise level. Assignment of personal area to company code. Okay, ad hoc. Personal areas ad hoc. H53C is our company name, company code. Save. One thing is missing. One thing is missing. Assign personal area to company code. We actually missed one thing, and that was ad hoc country grouping. Country grouping will be AE. This is very important because every country has its own set of standards for HCM, and they have to follow that. Industry standard, they can deviate, but there is a set pattern for every country that they follow for taxation, for deductions, for end of the term benefits. Okay. And state level